Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that I received in the CurlBox for the month of August. So if you are interested to see all the products that I received, then all you gotta do is keep watching.
That's good.
So I will say that the CurlBox is actually different, as in the packaging. They changed this packaging last month, but it used to be the black box with the hot pink and gold letters, but now it is this box that is in like a plush pink color with the letters in black with a period. So let's just go ahead and see what products are in the box. So as always, in the CurlBox they have a little like a little information card, and it tells you what the name of the issue is for the month. So for August it is the Flower Power issue, and this is what that looks like. And then when you look inside, it gives you the products that are featured in this month's CurlBox. And this month's box is from Eden Body Works, and it is their hibiscus honey line. So this is what the card looks like inside there. And so let me just go ahead and show you the first product that I received. So the first product I'm going to show you is the Curl Hydration Conditioner, and this is what the product looks like. And as you can see, it has the little pump here for you to dispense the product. And this says that it instantly works to strengthen, detangle, and protect strands, enhances natural softness, boosts curls, and tames frizz. And it says that you are to generously apply on damp hair, concentrating on mid-shaft down to the ends. And yeah, this is the conditioner. And the smell of this product, it smells, it's like a light scent, like a light maybe tropical scent. It's not really strong or anything. And this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. The next product I'm going to show you is the Curl Hydration Shampoo, and this is what this container looks like here. And it has a little pop top here. It is also 8 fluid ounces, and it says that the shampoo will gently cleanse and nourish your hair. It adds moisture and softness to give curls an extra boost of hydration, and it's safe to use on color treated hair. You are to apply to wet hair, lather from roots to tip, and rinse well. And that's what that looks like here. And don't know if I said it, but it is 8 fluid ounces. The third product I'm going to show you is a blow dry cream, and this is what that looks like here. It is 8 fluid ounces also, and it has this little pump here. And this says that it provides heat protection and all day long frizz control for a sleek, smooth look. Tip, it says hair should be at least 60% dry before blow drying. It says to section hair, apply 1 to 2 pumps, blow dry, and use a round brush to shape and set your style. I can tell you right now that I won't be using, if I do decide to use the blow dry cream, I will not be using a round brush because I am not that talented. So hopefully my little paddle brush dryer will do the trick. So yeah, that is the blow dry cream here. And the products that I've shown to you so far claim to be cruelty free, and it doesn't have mineral oils, petroleum, or dyes. So that's a good thing if you're, if you're conscious about that. The fourth product I'm going to show you is the Hydration Custard. This is what the packaging looks like here. And this says that the custard is designed for thicker textures, wavy, curly, kinky, and it's used to lock in moisture, gives definition, and adds shine. And it says to use on freshly washed hair, section hair, and apply on ends up, and then when it's almost dry, separate and lightly scrunch your hair. And this is what the product looks like there. It's super thick, and I'm not sure if you can see the consistency there. But anywho, this also has the same light scent. The last product that was included in the box was a hair tonic, and it says that it's a liquid vitamin. And this is what the packaging looks like, and this is a 4-ounce container, and it has a little spray part here, and it says that it will transform dry, brittle, dull, lifeless hair. High potency concentration of nutrients will make hair more manageable and healthy looking. It says that it's non-greasy and alcohol free, and you can use this product daily, and you just spray like a light little spritz on it. Those are all the products in the box, and they also give like a little information card here with some facts about the hair tonic. And it says that it is and it says that the benefits are that it will add sheen and gloss, moisturizes hair, curbs dandruff, helps reduce split ends, no petroleum or mineral oil, promotes stronger hair, and it's safe for all hair types. And it gives you some tips for the hair tonic. It says that you can try spritzing onto dry scalp to hydrate and then massage. Apply after blow drying to restore lost nutrients, elasticity, and to prevent breakage. And use after washes to add immediate nourishment and feed your hair daily. So these products claim to do a lot, especially the tonic. But I am super skeptical about trying these products because I did a review on another line by Eden Body Works. It was their Citrus Fusion line, and my hair did not really like the products at all. I'll have the video linked up above so you can see my review on those products. So I'm not really sure if I should, you know, like waste my time in trying the products since it's by the same line. So y'all, I need y'all's help. I want y'all to comment down below and please let me know if I should try the new products or pass. So go ahead, help me out with this, y'all. Like, I'm really serious. And also comment down below if you want me to do a review on it anyway. So I just want y'all to comment down below and let me know what y'all think I should do. If I should just go ahead and give these products a try, or don't waste my time and just use it as like a giveaway. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I'm serious, I really want y'all's help. That's pretty much it for this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Also, I would greatly appreciate it. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.